Thanks, Granger. Listen, I don't know. I've dealt with a lot of contractors. Granger's amazing. He's quick to respond. He's done everything perfectly.
Was quick and courteous and with a great price. I'd recommend them to anyone.
They were fantastic, did the work quickly, did the work well.
I've used them many times and I've always been very happy with their service.
Wonderful, thank you, Ann. Appreciate it. And you're an old customer of Champion.
Oh yeah, we call the Champion many times whenever we need something.
And everything turns out great. Wonderful plumbing service.
Thank you, Marty. Thanks. Give us a call.
What we're doing here right now is we're going to reline the main sewer line. From this point,
you can have a drip. You got washers in these. A lot of them are washerless, but you change the stems inside there. You can wash that out. You get stoppages with a hair.
For his great service, he did an excellent job and excellent time.
Very professional and very fast. Very
Much for doing a terrific job.
Installation was quick, and the guys are amazing. You gotta use them. Listen to me.
An outstanding job, timely, great price.